Hi, John Czapko, Thrive Insurance Group. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk about an interesting topic in the cybersecurity space, which is phishing with a PH, not the fun kind of phishing that we do on the weekends, but the scary kind of phishing that attacks your business. So phishing comes up a lot within the cybersecurity world. Ransomware, malware still take the cake as the biggest culprits within cybersecurity, but phishing came up this week with a conversation I had with a referral partner, and they got kind of attacked this week. One of their newer people got an email from their CEO saying, hey, go down to the store. I'm at a conference. I need $1,000 worth of Amazon gift cards. Send me the details off the gift cards. I'm at a conference. I need it for a raffle tonight. Just send me the details. I'll work it out on the back end with you. I'll expense it. Don't worry about it. And the new guy was going to the store, called his VP of sales and said, hey, I got to run an errand real quick. I got to get some gift cards for the CEO. And the VP of sales was like, wait a minute. The CEO barely knows my name as the VP of sales, let alone the new sales guy's name. So put a stop to it, realized it was a scam. And basically what these people were doing was just trying to capture Amazon gift cards from unknowing people and scamming them out of $1,000 worth of product. So smaller scale scam, but still this happens within businesses all the time. The average phishing scam comes in at about $55,000 for a small business. So this could happen. This is real world stuff and it's pretty scary out there. So what can small businesses do to help thwart these attacks? Number one, the biggest piece where this comes into play is employee education. Employees need to know that they have to have these checks and balances in place. They can't respond to these types of emails. They need to be educated on what to look for within an email, certain naming conventions, certain size files, certain things to look for. There's a lot of training that happens around this that employees can take advantage of. And there's a lot of resources on the web that this really comes into play. This is your first line of defense. Your second line of defense is an email filtering tool where these emails will get filtered in and these suspicious emails will get blocked by your email filtering tool. That's really your first line of defense. Your second line is your employees. And then you can also look at multi-factor authentication. This is two-factor authentication, step-up authentication, different things. And this really helps with getting access to different systems. So people that have to go into a financial application need to have separate authentication access to get in there. So it just provides another layer of defense within your organization. These are some small tips that you can use to make sure you're not a victim of phishing. Make sure that you're talking to your local broker, though, about the proper insurance wrapper around it. Cyber insurance can help thwart this. It comes in increments of 100, 250, maybe up to $1 million of phishing protection, depending on your policy. Look at your cyber insurance policy to make sure you have the appropriate level of phishing coverage. It's an inclusion generally not excluded. So it's generally included in your coverage, and make sure you have the proper level of coverage for your organization from an inclusion perspective within your cyber liability policy. Make sure you have a cyber liability policy first and foremost. If you have any other questions, reach out to your local broker or agent to have these conversations. It's a great conversation to have to make sure you're protected from a cyber liability policy perspective. If you have any other questions, we'd love to help. Reach out to us via YouTube, via email, via Facebook. And remember, thrive today, protect tomorrow. Thanks. Have a great day.